Hello, kids. Welcome back to our lesson. How are you today? Are you good? Are you energetic? How are you? You are good, right? And I'm good too. And today we have our workbook lesson. We have some activities about space, okay? We are at lesson 4. In space, do you remember which terms did we learn yesterday? In space, what do we have? We have what? Earth. We have space station, right? Do you remember it? We have space shuttle, and we have Earth. We have space suit, right? Astronauts wear it, right? Great. And our exercise will be about it. Let's start with part A. Right. We have some pictures and we will write their names. I think it's so easy. It's kind of easy peasy, right? Okay, let's do it. What is the first one? What is it? It is spacesuit, right? It's spacesuit. Or no, of course it is space shuttle, right? It is space shuttle. Okay, space shuttle. Great. Second one, what is it? Look at it. It is space suit, right? Space suit. Okay, astronauts wear it, right? And I remember that it has 14 different materials, right? It was made of 14 different materials, not just fabric, right? It is a spatial costume. Great. Third one, what is it? It is space station, right? Space station, okay? Space station. Great. And the last one is, what is it? It's Earth, right? Okay, it's Earth. Great job, kids. Now check all your answers. Check all your answers, okay? And let's continue with part B. Okay. My voice is very bad, right? I know it, yes. I agree with you. Okay, let's continue with part B. Here, read and circle. We have an exercise. Okay. We have a picture. We will look at it. Then we will choose have to or don't have to. Okay. Let's do it. 1. Look at that. An astronaut may be playing with his computer. Something like this, right? So let's read it. Astronauts have to work on the computer. Astronauts don't have to work on the computer. So which one is correct? Of course, astronauts have to work on the computer, right? Great job, kids. Okay, astronauts have to work on the computer. Great job. Second one, look at it. I think that there is a special bicycle, right? And let's read it. Astronauts have to stay strong. Astronauts don't have to stay strong. Astronauts have to stay strong, right? They have special bicycle and they are working with it, right? Great. And third one, look at the picture. Okay, there is an astronaut or filmmaker, right? Filming space, right? Great. Astronauts have to leave the space station. Astronauts don't have to leave the space station. Which one is correct? Astronauts have to leave the space station, right? They don't just sit and wait on space, right? No, they are going and exploring, right? Right, so they have to leave the space station. And the final one, fourth one, look at it. Astronauts have to be scientists to work in the space station, or astronauts don't have to be scientists to work in the space station. Which one is correct? Astronauts don't have to be scientists to work in the space station, right? Because on third one, we have a filmmaker, right? So they don't have to be scientists. Okay, great. Take all your notes. Now we are at part C. Let's go it. Go, 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 go. Okay, let's go. Yes, here it is. Okay, part C. Right. Okay. Right. We have some pictures and we will write what they are, okay? What they are telling to us. First one, look at them. Astronauts have to be friendly in the space station. Yesterday we watched a video, and in the video we saw that space station is very little place, right? Very small place, and astronauts have to be friendly with each other, right? They have to be friendly because there are so many people but very little space. Great. Second one. What is that? It's a space shuttle, right? So change the color, of course. Okay, blue. Astronauts have to take the space shuttle, right? We have a space shuttle. Take the space shuttle to get to space station, right? Great. To get to the space station. Awesome. Yes. And third one, look at the picture. So, what is that? That's a spacesuit, right? So, astronauts have to, there is a problem. Astronauts have to wear, right? Wear spacesuit. Spacesuit. Outside the space station, right? Great. Outside the, is outside space station. Station, right? Okay. Astronauts have to wear a spacesuit outside the space station, right? Great. And the last one, astronauts have to be, right? Astronauts, again, keep it a little. Astronauts have to be, right? Be careful in the space station, right? There's space station, so astronauts have to be careful in the space station, right? Great job, kids. Take all your notes, okay? Let's read them again. First one, look at the picture. Astronauts have to be friendly in the space station, right? Second one, look at the picture. We have a space shuttle. Astronauts have to take the space shuttle to get to space station, right? To get from Earth to space, right? They have to get space shuttle. And third one, look at the picture. There's an astronaut out of space station, so astronauts have to wear a spacesuit. I said it before, right? It's a spatial suit. And outside the space station, and the fourth one is astronauts have to be careful in the space station, right? They have to be so careful because everything is so important. Every action. Great. Take all your notes, and now we are at part D. Let's go. Okay. What do you have to do at school? Write it. So, imagine, close your eyes, okay? Think about it. What do you have to do at school? For example, when I'm at school, I have to wash my hands, right? After I played in the garden, right? I have to wash my hands after I play in the garden, for example. Or I have to be careful while walking in the floor, right? Or I have to be silent, right? I have to be silent along the class. I'm not answering. Or I have to raise my hand along the class, right? When I'm talking with my teacher, for example. Write these kind of sentences. So that's the end of our lesson. See you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.